Hey everybody, Eric Ryan here. We're about to go check out this beautiful property. Let me know in the comments what you think. So I love the front look of this home. I really like that stone that's up that front pillar. And you can see there's that little handrail closing it off. It's almost like a little balcony. We'll get to that here in a bit. Cute front lawn. Nice looking homes here. I really like these arches and how these rooms are connected, and that handrail that we can see up on the second floor and leading up the stairs. We'll get a better look at that too here in a moment. I have a real grand feeling as I walk into this home. Ceilings are high. We have some recessed lighting and then some various fixtures. I like how these rooms open up. That fireplace with those built-in bookshelves to the side of the fireplace are lovely. I could maybe go for an updated fridge. These rooms are great. Interesting, those vanities are split as opposed to one dual vanity. I like those corner windows a lot. Good sized bathroom. Let me know what you think of this home. Split level. There's a great shot of that banister. Nice upstairs side space. So these two final rooms we're going to look at, they are connected by that balcony that we were looking at outside. So see how they have that separation on the interior? Well, they had that same separation on the exterior, only the exterior is separated from this right here. Tell me this isn't super cute. I would absolutely love to hang out down here, or up here, in the evening with a glass of wine and the sunset. Now that sounds like a good evening. Beautiful home. Let me know what you think of this home. Let me know if this is a home that you would live in. And let me know if there's anything that you would change about your home. Laundry room, additional bath. Really beautiful place. And please, if you enjoy what you saw here, give us a like, a subscribe, a follow, a comment, whatever your heart desires.